Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the airline booking system management using Python. Okay, so first user have to enter the username and password. Okay, if they enter the correct password, then it will show the login successfully. There is a three option: flight info system, okay, flight scheduling, and the third is book flight. These are the three options. Okay, so let's take one by one. Now there is a flight info system where user have to provide all those details like flight ID, flight name, source, destination, departure, arrive time, flight charges, and date of departure. So user can there is a four option: add, reset, update, and delete. Okay, and user can search by flight ID and flight name. So let's enter, click on the add. It will store in the database. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.